Here's a story about how what you enjoy eating can help you start a business. Confused? Well, this is the story of Neneni Njoki Matea, a female entrepreneur who started up her own crisp factory in Nairobi, Kenya.
I used to like crisps so much. I used to go to the supermarkets, buy crisps so much, almost every day. What I wanted to do first is to make crisps for my own. Then I got the idea I can do a business in doing crisps. So I came across a friend of mine. She was working in a company that was making crisps. We talked and she gave me an appointment so that she can tell me about the business and about the equipment that I needed for the business. In the beginning, I started with firewood and a big sufuria and a slicer that used to cut my fingers.
Together with the help of a friend and her husband, Neneni started her crisp factory thanks to financial assistance from Thrive.
Thrive is a social microfinance program, and the two eyes in the middle represent two people looking at each other, supporting one another, and that's what basically Thrive does, assisting businesses who will then assist one another and assist the communities. So it's basically a financing program for corporate social responsibility. What makes Thrive different from what most organizations do is that we are not just a microfinancing institution. We give businesses basic skills, business development services, and support them through other networking programs, marketing, and basically we want to encourage them to link with the communities they work in, who happens to be the immediate brothers or sisters, and also their customers for their businesses. The businesses that come to our program are those that are already existing. They're already in business, doing some work with the community, so we are just giving them a financial boost and to encourage them to do more of CSR. And what they do is they would basically go on doing what they are doing, but with a greater look at the community and what they can offer in terms of in-kind repayment and education, training, and support to the communities.
Neneni applied to Thrive for a loan to start her factory business.
I'm so happy about Thrive. I was reading the newspaper and I got the advertisement. I said, let me try. And I got it. They bought for me the machines, and right now I can be able to produce more. Before I used to produce half a sack. Right now I can be able to produce 2 sacks in a day.
Thrive does not operate as a conventional commercial bank. Their loan repayments are not demanded in regular installments, but instead repaid in kind.
Thrive works through in-kind repayment where communities get financing for equipment and they produce, we encourage them to give what is produced from the equipment to the communities, and we identify together with them areas of need.
Amen. The peace of God, you know. You better build your house upon the...
Neneni makes good on her Thrive loan by handing out free crisps to a children's home in her area. It's clear that the children are very happy with the payment arrangement.
I'm happy about the payments because I don't have to go struggling looking for money, struggling looking for customers. What I do is only to produce, then I come give out the children the amount that I'm supposed to pay back. So it's very easy for me. I find it very easy for me paying back in kind.
I think we want to challenge the market and communities that we need to do more than just get money, profit. We can get value profit, character profit, and community profit. And so I think that's what we want to take up the challenge and instill it in the people in our communities. And I think this is the way for Africa to go, that we can contribute to the larger economy instead of just thinking about me, my family, and my profit.